Right then, this is Sharky from SHAR-KADE. Now I've made a start on one of the ultimate builds, and this project's been going for nigh on a year. I've been working with a customer and designing this unit, getting it all the bits and pieces sorted. The measurements, I've actually had to cut this twice. I've got some adjustments to make. But this is, I'm not going to say too much about what this unit is going to be in total. At the minute it just shows off a pedestal and a control panel. It is going to be a stand-up arcade. It's going to look cool, man. A lot going in it. It is going to be a huge 4-player cabinet. But like I say, I'm not going to say too much about the unit itself at the moment until it's put together and it's basically ready. I'll do some build updates, showing it off, showing the artwork off. All I can say really is it's going to be a He-Man design. It's going to have a ton of He-Man images on it. Every panel's going to be everything to do with He-Man. I mean, I've spent months working with a design with a customer. It's going to look pretty cool once it's all done. On the sides here, we are going to have some custom fan grills as well. I'm going to have some fans in there. We've got pinball buttons on the sides here, so your hands can easily on the control panel here just fit over the sides. Press those pinball buttons nice and easy. So it's not a really wide unit, your arms aren't stretched out too far. It's sort of the distance that you will get with a large pinball machine. So your arm distance would be roughly the same as that. If you look at the control panels, how we design those with the trim down the sides and stuff like that, that's how this is going to look. It's going to have some nice trim going down the sides. It's going to cover any imperfections up. It's going to look smart. It's going to have a nice professional finish to the unit. This unit will have a trackball inside. I think we may be adding a spin. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I know I've got to add a couple of more buttons. The customer wanted 6 button layout instead of 4. So that's going to be getting a couple of more holes drilled in the panel itself. The amp and everything is going to go in the stand-up portion of the unit. If you look here, we actually have the top sides. It's going to have some character to the whole unit. It's going to look really smart. It's going to have some nice shapes, nice beautiful design and look. It's going to have complete character. As you can see on the bottom here, we have nice recess. This is actually going to be a door. I'm just waiting on some cupboard hinges for that. I'm not sure what to use a handle yet. Customer of mine did in his van use these push button handles. It's just you literally press a button, it pops out and you can open the cupboard door. I may even go down that route. I don't know if I'll use magnets or if I'd use like a lock like this on there. I'm not sure yet. It is going to have some wheels, casters on the bottom of this. It is only going to have small wheels on a portion of it, and some big wheels on the back of the unit. It's going to have me speaker grills and stuff like that on another portion of the cabinet. And yeah, it's going to look cool. It's really going to look cool once it's all finished. We have some more panels. There's tons of panels on this unit. I think it works out like 700-800 quid just in wood. It's ridiculous. There is a lot of wood with this unit. It's going to be heavy. I ain't going to get the whole unit once it's built out the door, so it's going to have to be flat packed to be built at the customer's place. So I'm going to talk him through it, getting the unit together. and yeah, it's all simple. Everything locks into place. It all has like cam locks and dowels. Everything just pulls together, and but this wood is heavy. It's weighty wood. It's not your standard melamine MDF. It's the moisture resistant stuff that I've talked about in my previous videos. It's sandwiched between like hardboard, and it's not flaky. It's really dense. It's more like a HDF, high density fiberboard, and it's quality stuff. It's not easily damaged. I mean, the edges can chip at times, which sometimes needs sanding and filling down and stuff. But that's just the melamine coating on there. But the wood is tough. It does take a lot. I mean, I have had units damaged in the past when they've been shipped off, the actual wood structure of them. That's how I know they've been extremely mistreated in shipping, if these units do get damaged. Because this is solid board. It takes some strength to snap these boards. You'll have to jump on the boards to break them. They're really, really dense boards. So, like I say, it's going to look similar to the way those are designed. That unit there, it's almost done. I've got the custom grills, dust covers to do, the configuration to finish off, which shouldn't take us too long anyways. I've got the just the control panel wiring to tidy up on the inside, get out all the buttons on the front wired up. But I've done my tests on the control panel. All the buttons are working fine. So I'll finish that off hopefully tomorrow, get the configuration done hopefully tomorrow. If not, I'll come in Sunday. It's my birthday Saturday, so I'll not be in Saturday, but I will be in tomorrow, and I will likely be in Sunday as well. So I'm excited, man, to get this finally built. I mean, I've had the wood line around for quite a while for the control panel. I had to get some new bits cut, and I've been waiting for time and space to get this unit started. And yeah, things are busy. We've got a ton of work in. We are taking 3 weeks off in the summer holidays, and yeah, it'll any orders that's been made in the past month or so, they may be delayed till after the summer holidays, but I am working on flat out. I mean, every weekend I'll be putting in work onto these units. I'm just hoping I have no delays with this. I want this built, I want it put together, I want it perfect to then get shipped off, but this is going to have to be shipped off in a few packages. The control panel and everything will be shipped off as one unit, and then I think it'll be 2 more packages to ship it off. I'm really excited, man, to get it done. Like I said, there's going to be fan grills each side. So you're going to have some custom fan grills, some fans in there, exhausting air through the whole unit. There is going to be a full mini ITX gaming PC built into this with a RTX 3060 graphics card. So it's going to be one of our high-end builds. It's, what else can I tell you? It's going to have some large hard drives in there. Multiple large hard drives in there, and it can then be, because of the size of the thing, it can then be upgraded to multiple on top of multiple in the future if the customer wants to. And we've opened up a Facebook group. I keep mentioning it. There's a Facebook group opening up for customers. I'll get that sorted really soon. Get everyone added that are customers to the SHAR-KADE custom arcade units. I'm really buzzing. I'd like to discuss more, but I can't just yet. Please like, share, subscribe to the videos, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch us in the next one. Bye.